So today we're going to go hiking during quarantine. Still practicing social distancing, but the wife's a little moody right now. It's that time of the month, but I'm pulling through with it. So right now my tire's flat again. Gotta fill this bitch up before we start going. I have to wait till that's like 40. Are you ready? So we made a stop because the wife needed food, or she'll get really moody. So this is the hike we're going to. Left or right? There's that path right there, and there's that left path. Which one do you want? Left it is.
You stupid.
You know, I honestly don't even remember the full path, but I'm pretty sure you chose the right one. Whoa, this is getting really forested here. No, I think we're going right.
You stupid.
You wanna go back? Oh, look.
Oh, why didn't you know?
Because right is the right path.
You stupid.
Alright, so there's our sign to go right, because people just came from the right path. I think that's the path. We just gotta go. Yo, look at that, it's so cool. It's lit. Oh, it's so cool. So baby's like low-key freaking out right now because she doesn't like this bamboo forest. Even though this is what she wanted to do. Oh, right there. There's our sign right there. And there's a flag like this. That means this is the right path. Another one. Yo, I low-key gotta pee. Oh my gosh, look at that. I bet you this was a shortcut, but that's the main path we were supposed to be walking on right there. Yeah, pretty sure we're on the right path now. Oh, look, another path. Left or right, babe?
I don't know. I don't.
What did you learn from last time? Left or right?
Left.
No, right. We go right. Okay, sooner or later I'm gonna piss. I'm gonna find somewhere to piss. Well, I'm relieved. Yo, that's like really close. Yo, it's just chilling there.
Nope.
Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, I hope I got that on shot, but those were like hippie, man. Okay, babe, which way? Which way do you think? Left or straight?
Left.
Left? Here goes babe again, choosing left. Hurry up, go pee.
I'm not gonna pee. I need to wait.
Let's see what I got in the pack. Here, some gauze.
That's so thin.
Here. Find somewhere to pee.
Babe, I don't know where.
Just go in the bushes over there. Are you refreshed?
Nope.
I need more.
Well, you already put your pants back on, so.
No, for my foot.
Babe, which way, left or right? You take the low ground. I'll take the high ground. Never mind, I'll take the low ground. Okay, now I know we're on the right path. This is the landmark right here. Wow, it's really cold.
Alright.
We're almost here. I think we're pretty much here, guys. It's right there. I can see it. It's right there, babe. Oh, ah.
Huh?
From here, we gotta climb up the river. Come on. Let's go! Yes! That's where the waterfall is, girl. We are here. We're here. We're here. This is the waterfall.